A group is a collection of items, usually related to a specific region, subject, or project. Groups allow you to organize and share your items. You decide who can join your group, who can find and view it, and who can contribute content. Most organizations have many items and members. Administrators can use groups to help manage the organization. For example, configure groups to feature content on your organization's homepage and build custom galleries for base maps and apps. You can also use groups to make your public items available to open data sites, or set up administrative groups to help with member management. Groups allow members to work closely together on projects and initiatives. Shared update groups are useful when multiple people need to update the same items. You can even use groups to collaborate securely with another organization through a partnered collaboration. To learn more about groups, visit the resources page for product documentation, discovery paths, and more.